Yeah, it's probably just leaks. That's so propane and propane accessories.
Get out, propane.
Just want to consume our faces.
Then we're gonna look really cool. I'm just gonna drink right here until my. I don't care if the beer gets warm. Oh my god, it is getting windy. Oh man, it feels so good being this close. I like when it gets red.
Because it means it's hot.
This is tight. We're like in a storm now.
I know, I feel like I'm gonna be on Gilligan's Island.
On Gilligan's Island? I feel like I'm in that movie Twister.
Drinking beer.
Oh my god, look how I pulled it.
I know.
Oh, cool. Do it again. More.
Do it to the camera. That's the way. What? That's the wind. The wind. But
Good one. Stewie. Oh look, I'm smoking.
Oh yeah.
What? Really? Is that what he did?
Yeah. Look, I'm smoking.
Yeah. Do you want me to come over? Do you want to come what?
You didn't finish the sentence. Over.
Oh yeah.
So if I end a sentence over, I still gotta say over? You still gotta say what? Over. That's like my favorite.